and warm welcome to Module 4 of Language Learning through Culture and Cooking. In this module, we will focus on healthy eating. To stay healthy, we need to exercise and find the right balance between nice food and food that is also good for us. We will explore what type of products are healthy for you and what types you should not eat so much. We would like to find out what type of healthy foods you prepare in your culture, and we invite you to share that with the group in one of our 7 activities in this module. To help you understand the recipe task in Activity 5, I'm going to show you how to make a nice and tasty vegetable soup. There are many different food names in this module, and we look forward to learn if you know them and if you eat them in your culture too. We hope you enjoy our healthy recipe and that you are inspired to share your cooking recipes with us.